I expect most people are familiar with the Windows general shortcuts, such as, for example, holding the Windows key down and pressing up arrow maximizes the window. Windows plus down arrow demaximize it, or what do they call that? Restore down. This one here. I don't normally use these, but I wanted to use them, and I discovered they weren't working. So the system was in a state like this, where these keys just didn't work. And I've discovered the reason for this. There's another annoying thing in Windows, or what I think is an annoying thing, that if you just shove a window up to the top, it automatically maximizes. I found that to be a nuisance, so I had looked up on the internet a way of disabling that, and it's in the control panel here. If you go to control panel, ease of access center, make the keyboard easier to use, there's this, scroll down a bit, prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. So if you click that and apply that, now when I move this to the edge of the screen, it doesn't automatically maximize. But unbeknownst to me and completely undocumented, it also completely disables these shortcut keys. So you have a choice. You either got all the shortcut keys, but with the window automatically maximizing when you shove it up to the top of the screen, or you can prevent that, but in which case you lose all your shortcut keys. So if you find these shortcut keys are not working, the way to solve it is to untick this prevent windows from being automatically arranged. Apply that. Now things are working.